I bought the mystery oil everyone is talking about, 100% raw Batana oil on Temu. Now, is this a scam or is this just a secret? TikTok obviously made me buy this because I've been seeing it all over TikTok. So many people have been saying hair growth. Let's see if this will actually work on my hair. So my curls are either about to thrive or tell me I've made bad choices. Let's just be honest. Curly girls don't just buy hair products. We invest in them. We hope that they will make our hair grow, make our hair shine, make it soft. You know, the list is endless. You see hair growth and suddenly your body's going, oh, let's buy this. Because everyone likes long hair for some reason. Well, not everyone, but most people are like, can grow my hair? Us Afro girls, you know, the shrinkage is real. So when you hear hair growth, I start looking, where's my wallet? Do I have enough money for this? Okay, first impressions. Let's smell it. I haven't even opened it. Oh, okay. Yeah, this doesn't look good. And it doesn't smell like your average or normal hair product. You know, those that are like, smells like nature. It actually smells like peanut butter, to be honest. I guess they put palm oil in peanut butter, don't they? Some of them. Yeah, it smells like peanut butter. But thick oils often mean serious moisture, so I'm calm, I'm alright. Don't knock it until you try it, even though it doesn't smell like your gel hair mask Garnier. This is different. Who can use this? Is it only for certain hair types? It says it's perfect for all hair types, from 1A to 4C. Everyone is included. Apparently, it doesn't discriminate. So for dry, coily, and curly hair, sourced from Honduras, hair care benefits, reverse hair loss, okay, and stop breakage, promote hair growth, treats hair damage, and transform dull, flat, dry hair into thick, shiny, luscious locks. Multi-purpose, also has applications in skincare. Oh, so you can use this on your skin? I didn't know that. I thought it was just for your hair. So what is Batana oil? Batana oil has been clinically proven to penetrate the hair's shaft, repairing and locking in moisture deep within. Its astonishing ability to transform dull, flat, or thinning hair into thick, shiny, soft locks. Now my hair is thick. Your girl got thick hair already. Do I want it thicker? I don't know if I want that, but I want it longer and everything else. So thick doesn't necessarily mean healthy, right? Okay, very thin can also be a problem if your hair is thinning. If it was thick beforehand, fine. But if it's normally thin, it doesn't mean it's unhealthy. It just means you have thin hair. It's a rich oil made from the American palm tree, and it's been used for generations for hair and scalp care. It's packed with fatty acids, antioxidants, deep moisture benefits. Basically, it's a smoothie for your scalp. You know how good smoothies are? All the good stuff for our stomachs. Our scalp needs it too. How do you use Batana oil? Actually, 4 ways you can use this as a pre-shampoo treatment. So your deep conditioning treatment before you shampoo and condition. Warm a small amount on the palm of your hand. Apply it to your hair and scalp. Massage thoroughly. Allow oil to penetrate for at least 20 minutes before rinsing out. Okay, so it's a 20-minute hair mask. Follow with shampoo and conditioners. As an overnight hair mask is the second one. So you can apply it to your hair and leave it on all night. If your hair is damaged, it's very dry, you need like an intense treatment, these severely damaged ones, cover it with a bonnet because we don't want it going all in our face when we're sleeping. Even though you have a satin or a silk pillowcase, just cover it and then go to sleep. You can use this as a daily application. People with fine hair and wavy hair, once to twice a week, because it is very greasy. If your hair is already greasy and you're adding more grease, you know. Some people don't like that greasy feel. I actually don't like that greasy feel. So this will be interesting. But everyone can use it, just the right way. A scalp massage. Use it 2 to 3 times a week. Just massage your scalp. No more than 5 minutes. You're circulating the blood, you're telling the blood to flow. That will help produce hair growth. Not necessarily that the oil will do it, but the oil will aid it too, and the massage will. 4 to 5 minutes max. If you're doing it longer than that, you can actually have hair loss. But don't massage too much. Or ends treatment for dryness. Just put the oil on the tips and leave it there. Not a lot, obviously. Now the big question. Does it actually grow your hair? Let's be real. Does any oil grow your hair? No, of course not. There's no magic fix. But the treatment with the massaging, with all the other things you're doing, cleansing your scalp, that will help aid hair growth. Your hair won't grow overnight, even though some of us, our hair does grow overnight. But will you have a healthy scalp? Yes. Will you have moisturized strands? Yes. Less breakage? Yes. All these things really help with hair retention and hair growth. Sometimes us girls, right, our hair will be growing like crazy and you'll think it's not, but because the amount of hair loss, hair damage, breakage, brittleness, because it falls out so much, you don't see the retention. This is the game changer, and that will absolutely support hair growth over time. This is how your hair will grow. This oil will help. I'm going to put it to the test and see if there's a difference. So my hair at the moment, sort of there, right? Measure the growth. And it's hard for us froze because sometimes it will look like no growth because of the amount of shrinkage we have. But the hair is been growing. Okay, let's apply it to my hair. I applied it to my type 3 curls, focusing on the scalp and the tips. Because somehow the hair in between is all good. I don't know. Because I want hair growth, I want some moisture on my tips. The hair drinks oil like it pays rent. Like this is my house, just... But because my hair is low porosity, it might take a few seconds for it to actually penetrate. It'll feel like, oh, how come this is taking so long? But just give it some time. High porosity, no problem. Medium, no problem. But low, you know what I'm talking about. It absorbed pretty well and my hair felt soft straight away. I mean, my hair does feel soft anyway. It just feels dry. No greasy mess because I'm not using too much, and no heavy coating. So honest review, more shine. You know, we like that shine. Smooth ends. With an afro, it might not look like it. Happy scalp. Because I'm actually allergic to rosemary oil, and rosemary oil or anything with rosemary apparently makes your hair grow. My hair says no. I get an itchy scalp. So to find another oil that can do this, I was so happy. I was like, yes, please, I've needed this. And there we go. I found one. Temu, if you are doing this for me, Batana oil, if you can make a difference, we're friends. We change our minds all the time. Humans are always changing and evolving and adapting. So what I like today might not be what I like tomorrow. Probably will be. But maybe 10 years from now, it might not be. Honestly, my hair felt pampered. This felt like a good treatment. This is obviously a long game. No quick fix yet. But I'm hoping to see results. I already saw results, but I'm hoping the hair growth, you know, the pinnacle that we're all like, oh, that's drawn us to this product is what I'll look for. At this point, my curls are like, keep the moisture coming. You know, our curls thrive on moisture. Without moisture, that definition goes. The growth goes. The shine goes. The dryness is there. So moisture is key. And this delivers. And I'm like, okay, but we're on a budget. You know, have I got enough money? Well, Temu, if you use my code now, you can get this at a discount. Come on. I don't know how long this is going to last me. It is quite little. It's 120 grams. So 4.3 ounces. That's that size, right? It's not massive like a normal tub, but it's about half or a third. And you're not using this like to style your hair. It's for hair growth, the scalp. It's all good. Caution, for external use only. Please don't eat this stuff. Yeah, even though it says palm oil and it smells like peanut butter, it is not edible. It's not for consumption. Avoid direct eye contact. Keep out of reach of children, obviously. Store in a cool, dry place. Yeah, don't keep it in the sun. Some people wonder, why is this product like this? Why is it expired? Because you're keeping your products in the sun. Stop it. Conduct a patch test prior to full application. Just in case you have an allergic reaction like I did with rosemary oil, you don't want that. So patch test, usually there, side of your elbow. That seems to be the most sensitive, like your scalp, similar. So patch test there, 20-30 minutes, however long you're going to keep it on your hair for. If it's all good, use it. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Do not continue using something if your scalp is irritable. Your hair will not like this. You don't want an infection, and don't apply it to open skin either. If you have sores, I don't think this is a good idea, okay? It's an oil, it will absorb. Go to the doctor and get proper medicine to treat the problem and then apply this, because you don't want to make it worse. We don't know what this does if it goes internally. The box. This is what it says. Batana oil is extracted from the Ojan palm tree, which has been used by indigenous people in Honduras for centuries to strengthen and nourish hair, known as a miracle oil for its exceptional properties that contribute to minimizing hair loss from the scalp. Ingredients is just Batana oil. Wow, that's it. So that's why it's 100%. It does say composition as well. Batana oil is packed with nourishing compounds such as vitamin E, omega-6, which provide nourishment to both the hair and scalp. So it is 100% Batana oil. There's nothing else in this. Have you tried Batana oil before? Drop your experience below in the comments. Did it work? Are you getting hair growth? What is happening? How long has it taken for your hair to grow as well? Subscribe if you want a 30-day update, because we're about to see if this oil is the real deal. This video is not sponsored by TikTok or Temu, by the way. This is my video. Bought this product with my own money. Not getting paid anything for this video from either of them. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit that bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.